Coach Nate here. Whether you've woken up feeling stiff, tight in your back, or your whole body just isn't moving right, this routine is designed specifically for you. Most people skip stretching because they think they don't have time. What an excuse. But you're here, showing up, and that already sets you apart. In just 5 minutes, we're going to wake up your spine and shoulders for better posture, strengthen your core and improve balance, increase flexibility to move pain-free all day. But here's the biggest mistake people make with stretching, and it actually makes them feel tighter. We're gonna find out soon. No equipment is needed, just your mat and 5 minutes to feel incredible. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with one of the most powerful stretches for your spine, but only if you do it right. Start in downward dog, hands shoulder width apart, hips high, heels pressing toward the floor. Inhale, shift forward, lowering your hips as you roll into cobra pose. Exhale, push back into downward dog, keeping it fluid. Repeat for 1 minute, moving with control. This loosens up the spine, shoulders, and hamstrings while gently strengthening your back. But are you making this one mistake that could strain your lower back? Beginners, move slowly and keep your knees bent in downward dog. Advanced stretches, hold each position for a breath before transitioning. Now that we've mobilized the spine, let's engage the core and improve balance. This is more than a stretch. It's a core stability move that improves balance instantly. Start in a tabletop position, hands on the shoulders and knees on the hips. Extend your right arm and left leg straight out. Hold for 30 seconds, keeping your core tight. Bird dog activates the core, strengthens the lower back, and improves coordination. But what's the key trick to keeping your balance steady? Beginners, keep toes off the extended leg touching the floor. Advanced stretches, if you need more of a challenge, add small pauses at the top for more engagement. Let's even it out by switching to the other side. You might feel one side is harder to balance. That's a sign of an imbalance we're about to fix. Start in tabletop. This time, extending left arm and right leg. Keep your hips level and core engaged. Hold for 30 seconds, maintaining control. This side corrects imbalances, improves coordination, and strengthens stabilizing muscles. But are you making this mistake that actually weakens your core instead of strengthening it? Beginners, lower the extended legs slightly for more control. Advanced stretches, close your eyes for an added balance challenge. Now that your core is engaged and stable, let's open up the hamstrings and back. This stretch releases your entire back, but if you rush it, you'll miss the full benefit. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Hinge at the hips, letting your upper body hang forward. Keep knees soft and let gravity pull you deeper. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This stretches the hamstrings, lower back, and calves, relieving tension built up overnight. But did you know that holding this pose too rigidly can actually make you feel tighter? Beginners, keep knees slightly bent. Advanced stretches, grab your elbows and gently sway side to side to finish strong. Let's unlock the shoulders and upper back. If your shoulders feel tight or stiff, this will instantly loosen them up. Extend your right arm across your chest. Use your left hand to pull it in closer. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This releases tension in the shoulders, improves flexibility, and boosts posture. But are you pulling your arm the wrong way? That could make your shoulders even tighter. Beginners, keep the stretch gentle. Advanced stretches are pull the arm higher across the chest. And just like that, you've unlocked your spine, activated your core, improved posture and flexibility. But what should you do to maintain these benefits? If you want even deeper flexibility, go check out the link in the description or the pinned comments. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.